How to enable hardware virtualization or virtualization technology in HP Folio laptops or even all other laptops in HP new models. Now, right now, as you can see, we are in the BIOS. If you don't know how to enter in the BIOS, so I will turn it off and then I will turn it on, and then by pressing F10 I will easily get into the BIOS. So after getting into BIOS, you will see here lots of options. Here we got security options, and after that you will see here we have advanced option. Now in advanced options you will see on the left side multiple options. Now we need to go for device configuration, and in the device configuration we need to scroll down a little bit until you see here virtualization technology. Yes, you will get two options here, VTX or IO or VTD. Now this is you need to check by your software which technology is asking for. So in my case it is asking for normal, this one. So after that, simply from the keyboard you need to press F10, then simply click on yes and you are done. So this is how easily you can enable it.